Indonesia as a whole is home to numerous historical and mystical buildings, many antique and dating back hundreds of years. One such building is Lawang Sewu, which was built by the Dutch between the years 1904 and 1907 and functioned as head office for the Dutch East Indies Railway Company, or Netherlands Indies Spoorwegmaatschappij, until 1942. During World War II, the building was used as Japanese military headquarters. It is located on the Tugu Muda roundabout in Semarang, capital city of Central Java. Lawang Sewu in the Javanese language is translated to mean 1,000 doors. And while the building does not really have 1,000 doors, the massive three-story structure is lined with numerous doors and windows that resemble doors, from which the building obtained its name. This large and mysterious building is not simply a deserted structure, but is an icon of history and heroes. Construction of the main building began in 1904 and was completed in mid-1907, while other buildings around began to be built from 1916 to 1918. All of those doors are deliberately made so that air circulation in the building is maintained. The complex consists of several buildings, two main ones named A and B and two smaller ones named C and D on Pemuda Street. The L-shaped A building faces the Tugu Muda roundabout. There are two identical towers on A building which were originally used to store water, each with a capacity of 7,000 liters. The building features large stained glass windows and a grand staircase in the center. There was also a tunnel connecting a building to several other sites in the city, including the governor's mansion and the harbor. The B building is located behind A building. It is 3 stories in height, with the first 2 floors consisting of offices and the third holding a ballroom. The building with high, large windows also has a basement floor that is kept partially flooded to serve to cool the building through evaporation. In front of A building stands a monument to 5 employees killed during the Indonesian National Revolution. The corner that most attracts tourists is the basement, which is said to be a place of torture and dungeons during the colonial period. However, in recent years, the crypt has been closed by the management of Lawang Sewu for security reasons and to avoid historical bias. Now, the Lawang Sewu building is used as a tourist attraction in the form of historical relics from ancient and antique buildings architects, underground rooms and information towers, and is often used as an exhibition venue for certain events.